Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to our channel. Today we will be exploring the table format options in MS Excel. Working with tables in MS Excel can be a great way to organize and analyze our data. Tables offer many advantages over standard range of data, including the ability to sort, filter and format our data more easily. Today we will go through some tips of working with tables in MS Excel. So let's start with creating a table first. To create a table, we need to use this option from here. And to use this option, I'll just open up some raw data. I've got some raw data over here as usual. So this is the raw data where I need to prepare a table. I'll just click anywhere within the data and click here and select whatever option I need for the table. As you can see, I have got the data over here, and if I need this data to be converted into a table, I'll click anywhere within this data and I'll go and click here and select the desired table option I need. Like if I need this option, I'll click here. Now the most important part over here, if I need the same headings as the header, I'll make sure that this check mark is available over here, and if I need a new header apart from this, then I'll uncheck this. In this case, I need the same as header, and I'll check mark this and click on OK over here, and the table will be converted. So now the next part is adding data. To add data to the table, simply type the new data into the empty rows at the bottom of the Excel table. Here, Excel will automatically expand the table to include the new data. Like for example, I have got some data over here. Like for suppose I need this data in this table, and I have just paste over here, and the table will be expanded automatically. Okay, now once we are done with creating a table, the other option is sorting and filtering. So once we have created the table, we can see that we have got the data tabs over here. These icons or these arrows are known as data tabs, and while using these things, we can sort the data from A to Z, or smallest to largest, again smallest to largest, or we can see someone's individual's data by filtering them out. Like if I need to see the data of specifically this customer, I'll checklist this and click on OK, and I can view only this customer's data from here. Okay, now the next thing we have is formatting. To format a table, click anywhere on your table and you can see a new ribbon over here. Like if I click anywhere else, this will not be available over here. If I click on the table, I can see this tab over here, and I've got all the options related to this table. Like if I need to rename this, I will just write customer data. Okay, now one thing over here, that we cannot use spaces. Like if I give a space, it will not save it. See, so to rename the data, to rename the table, I'll have to use hyphen or underscore, and it will be saved. See, this is helpful in working with several tables, and so that we are aware which table is for what, and this will help us creating a pivot table from these tables moving onwards. Apart from this, if I need to change the design from here, I can select any designs from here and change it accordingly. See, let's change it. And if I need to remove the header, it will remove the header. Similarly, I can remove the filter options. Now we won't be able to filter them out anymore. And again, and if I need to use a slicer, we can use a slicer. Slicers are automatically created, and these are created as per the headers. Like you can see the headers: serial number, order number, customer, category. And now I'll just click if I need a slicer as per the category. I click the category and it will create a slicer for me. Now these 4 categories are available over here. only these 4 categories, and if I want to sort them as per the categories, it will be sorted accordingly. This will help us. And to view all, click here. Okay, now the next thing over here in the data tab is like if I want to remove this table and I don't need this table anymore, to see if the table is converted or not converted to range or not, we can see this icon over here. If it is in a table format, you can see this small arrow over here, but if I convert it to range again, like this arrow will be removed. Okay, so now this is no longer a table now, but the colors will remain over here. If you need to remove the colors, you can use the options from here to remove all the colors. Okay, now last but not the least, adding formulas to your table. This also helps us, like if I need a formula of sum, I need to sum these two. If I select this and click on enter, before clicking enter, please see that if it's converted into a table, it's reading table number 7 at subtotal and shipping fee, like it's adding subtotal and shipping fee. And if I click on enter, the formula will be pasted till the end of the table on the same column. So this was really helpful, I believe, right? By using tables in MS Excel, we can make it easier to analyze and understand our data. With the ability to sort, filter, and format our data more easily, we can spend less time managing our data and more time drawing insights from it. Hope this was all helpful today. Please do not forget to subscribe, like our videos if you really like them. Do share your feedback in the comments section so that we can improve. This really helps us improve from your feedback and suggestions. Thank you so very much for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.